Zephaniah 2:1. Gather yourselves together. Yea, gather together, O nation not desired.
So here we are in San Antonio, Texas. The Most High is showing us that we got in these last days gathered together as a nation. The nation of Yasha Allah. In these last days, in the Mashiach Yahushai, we give all praises to the Mashiach Yahushai. Yahweh.
Gather yourselves together. Yea, gather together, O nation not desired.
So the Lord Most High says, nation not desired. That's Yasha Allah. So it's high time for you brothers and our people across America, the United States, and all over the world to gather themselves together under the Mashiach Yahushai. Get Psalms. You got it? Read up. Tell where you at.
Psalms 149:6. Let the high praises of Yahweh be in their mouth.
The high praise of the Most High is what? The Holy Bible. And let this, the commandment of the Most High in Yahushai, be in their mouth. And
a two-edged sword in their hand.
The Most High said, what a two-edged sword in their hand. Why? Because the Hebrew Israelites are coming to kill their enemies in Mashiach Yahushai.
To execute vengeance.
Do what?
Vengeance.
It's vengeance time in America against our enemies that put us in captivity. This is what the Most High Yahushai is teaching us today from the Hebrew Scriptures.
To execute vengeance upon the heathen and punishments upon the people.
Punishments upon the people that brought our people into captivity, that destroyed our black man and women, that destroyed the 12 tribes of Israel. Yasha Allah, Most High says, punishments upon them.
To bind their kings.
Bind their kings. Prince Charles, Queen Elizabeth, Barack Obama, and all our enemies will do what? Be bound,
to bind their kings with chains and their nobles with fetters of iron.
To
execute upon them the judgment written.
And the judgment that is written for them is slavery and captivity and punishment. And America will be destroyed in these last days. So we are what? Gathering together in San Antonio for the 6th Hebrew Summit to gather our people together and to form the Masharah Yasha Allah. Hallelujah. 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 Shalom.
Ben, it's a music video.
Yeah. Go ahead, read all that.